Hi, welcome. My name is Daniel. In this video, I'm going to show you the order process in nyce.logic WMS. So basically going to release an order and follow it through picking, packing, lineup, and finally loading. So let's just start by logging into the system. When I'm in the system, I'm going to move to outbound to do my order release. So in a normal way, this would be set up with like a schedule, so it automatically is released. But for the demonstration purpose, I'll manually release one order. So I have one customer order prep for this video, so I'm gonna release it. As you see that I have one customer order, and because of the configuration that I have in my warehouse, this turned out to be 3 different warehouse orders that basically can be executed by 3 different pickers in different areas in the warehouse. So let's just push OK. It's now out in the system. Nothing more from an administrative point to do. For the operators who just work in their different areas, they can see now there are 3 different assignments in the picking. So I open up picking. I can see I have in full pallet, in piece picking, P1 and P2. So let's start with the full pallet picking. I start my picking assignment, and the system guides me to go to a specific location and scan a load carrier. So when I'm there, I'm scanning the load carrier. And then it tells me to bring it to the consolidation area 01. So I go there, I scan that I'm there, and I leave the pallet. I'm ready. In a normal warehouse situation, there will be a secondary, most likely, full pallet assignment for me to execute. Next person in line who is working in P1 starts the order of the piece picking, and here the system guides me to go to this location P1 0101001, and I have to confirm that I'm actually there as well. So I confirm with check digits. Then I start picking the article. So I scan the article, the amount, and then I just place it on my pallet. I go to the next place, confirm that I'm there, scan the article, the amount, and just continue. So confirming the place. Also, if I want to see if there's any additional information on the article, I can just click on the article card and see images or where else it's situated in the warehouse. Let's just scan the article again. Here, we have also unit picking. So instead of pieces, it guides me to pick 1 carton with 25 pieces inside of it. So I just confirm 1 instead of 25 pieces. As you see, I have another picking at the same location for the same article for 3 pieces. This basically means I had an order on 28 pieces and I picked 1 carton with 25 and 1 with 3. The system then tells me to go to the consolidation area and drop it off. So me as an operator, I don't have to know where an order is supposed to go. The system will keep control of all the different warehouse orders and guide them to the same location. Then we have the last picking assignment to perform. So the 3rd person in the warehouse picking in P2 will start his picking assignment or her picking assignment. Confirm that is at the location, the article, the amount, and where to drop it off. So 1 customer order became 3 warehouse order. 3 different persons picked those at different areas in the warehouse and placed them all at the consolidation area. So now, when we're ready with the picking, it's up to the next operator working packing. So that person will just open up the packing wizard and start scanning. So in reality, I now have 3 pallets in front of me, but I can just scan. But since this is demo environment, I have to find the numbers that I'm looking for. So this is nothing you actually have to do in reality. But I'll select load carrier, I'll search for them, and I get it up there. So here you see the first full pallet that we picked before of 100 pieces of article 1001. I can push the next one. Here I can see some information about the pallet, some dimensions, if there's any instructions, if there's any pack material that needs to be added. I can go to the next one where I see a summary of what I'm supposed to pack, and I finish it. Then I have the next pallet in line. So once again, I just scan it. Now I have another pallet next to me that I see I can actually fit those items on this article as well. So then I can just scan the second one. And then you see that articles adds on top of this first pallet. So now I can continue like I did with the first one. I can see the information overview. I see the summary of the total package that I packed, and I finished it. So if we go back, one customer order became 3 warehouse order. I picked them in different places, put them in the consolidation area, and I now have 2 shipment references, basically outgoing packages from the warehouse. Now I'm going to put them on a lineup in front of the gate where they're going away. So you see I have 2 assignments in my lineup. So I can start with the first one. I scan the barcode and it tells me go to outbound area 01. So I confirm that I've placed it there. I scan the second one. I confirm that it's at the outbound area. So now I move these from the consolidation area to a lineup in front of the gate. Now the actual truck arrives at the warehouse and we should load it onto the vehicle. So we initiate the loading. We find that trip that is going, execute, and I see those are the 2 shipment references that I just moved to the lineup, so I can start scanning them. In this environment, I can bring several pallets at the same time, so I just scan the second one as well. And as you see, if I scan something wrong, nothing happens. So here I missed out. And now when I've scanned both of them, it tells me go to gate 1 and leave it there. I go to gate 1 and I drop it off. As you see, there are no more active orders on this departure, so I can close it. And then I'm basically ready. So what you've seen now is 1 customer order released in the warehouse, divided in 3 warehouse order, picked by 3 different persons in the warehouse, brought to a consolidation area, where 1 person saw potential for optimization, putting 2 of them together. So we have 2 outgoing parcels. They then put it on the lineup and finally onto the loading. And as you see, no one of the operators need to know anything about this customer order. The system will always just guide where you're going next and what you're supposed to do. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more about nyce.logic WMS and the different functionalities available, just reach out to us and we'll get back to you.